What up, tubers? It's your boy Will D's. We're back at it again with a new vlog. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. If you're not, hopefully watching this video might brighten up a little bit. I don't know. It's 2018, January, new year, new me. Let's get it. As you guys know, my rotating, there's a little like clunking sound. So that is back again, yo. Like, oh my god, like I thought 2018, like my New Year's resolution was gonna be, hey, straight up, gonna save money, gonna concentrate on the things that I wanna do, you know, save money, make money, and just be smart about it. But guess what? This thing, the clunking sound, turns out to be a freaking wheel bearing, so I have to get them replaced. But wait, there's more. I gotta freaking do the pads too because the pads are running low. There's really nothing I can do about that because it's more wear and tear. So even if you drive it, like the only thing to do is like not drive it. But it's my daily car, so I have to freaking drive it, right? That's gonna, so that on top of that, I have to get brakes. And then wait, there's more, fam. There's more, DZ fam. I gotta get the rotors done too. So that's gonna, like on January I wanted to save money, but guess what? That's gonna be blown away. But enough of that negative-ish crazy stuff today. So guess what happened? So I was going to school today, like not the on you car to go, like I love you car to go, like for drunk times or whichever. I went to school today thinking, hey, I'm gonna save some money, I'm not gonna park, let's do it. I go to my first car to go, and guess what happened? 165 days was supposed to be for maintenance. Hasn't been done. Turn on the car, it doesn't even freaking start. I'm like, okay, I'm checking the time. Okay, well, I have some little bit of time. I'm gonna hop into the next car to go. So I'm like, hey, screw it, bad luck. Hopefully it doesn't happen twice. So I go to the other car to go, which is like 2 blocks, and I had to climb a big ass hill. Oh my god, like I was sweating, it was raining, you know, Vancouver. Put it in, and it turns out it wasn't even registered on the phone. Like I reserved it and everything, it wasn't registered. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I'm there stuck, right? So my book bags and whichever. I went out of the car, I'm like, shoot, it's 6:40. I have class at 7, I'm like, what do I do? Like DZ fam, what do you do? So I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna go home and drive the car because it's gonna break even more. So I call a freaking cab. And guess what? I hop into the cab. Guess what I forgot? My book bag in the car. I'm like, oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me. So I had to take the cab back to freaking get my book bag out, and guess what? It was freaking locked because some other reserved it and I couldn't open it. So I had the car to go for another 20 minutes and get that door open, and then finally I got it open, and oh, it's 7. Okay, so I'm late. So I'm like calling. I'm like, oh god, can this Monday get any more stressful, man? Stressful. So I finally got to class, 7:20, you know, it was okay, I didn't get really in trouble, but god, it was a heck of a morning. But you know what? Take this, throw this right away, yo, you know, it's gonna be positive 2018, and you know what we're doing right now? If you're having a bad day, eat some food, because once you eat some food, life is just so much better. Right now we're heading to Joe Forte's. Not sure if you guys ever been, but it's kind of like white food, but it's like comfort, you know, it's really, really good and shit. So yeah, so we're gonna head there now. Got the boy Pez right here, hype beast and shit too. Wearing some dark jeans, they're probably nudies, and then some fragments and I don't know, fragment times Supreme stuff. I don't know for you hype beasts out there. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So look what my friend got me. So my friend recently got back from HK, Japan, Thailand, I don't know, whichever. Whoa! A freaking perforated spat? Yo, love it! Thanks. Actually, thanks. Whoa, good grips. Whoa, there's more snacks? Yo, guys, I love freaking snacks, yo. Okay. Are these snacks? What are they? Whoa! Yo, your boy loves chocolate, yo. This is some rare stuff. What is it? Carmelo Koala. Yo, this ain't no basketball this is some legit candy, yo. Thanks, DZM. Okay, guys, so back to this candy. Oh, man, what is this? Patents? Yo, I don't know what patents is, but this macadamia nuts are patented, that's for sure. So nobody's stealing these ingredients. There's more? Oh, it's the same thing, but hey, you know what? I'll probably finish these in like 2 days, like actually in 2 minutes, so. Thanks! So these are royal, so you don't, oh, there we go, look at that, royal. You know what? Your boy can't wait for these, yo. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna do a reaction on these. Where do you even get these? I don't think you get this here. I think it's like some rare stuff. But these like straight up, oh, they look like little turtle balls. Like, you see those turtle balls? Alright, let's try these. These are hard. Creamy texture. Like, not too bitter. Not too sweet. Oh, they come in 2 boxes, so if you crave for the second one, boom, you pop another one. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. That's enough talking for now. See you guys when they're. Let's go teleport in 3, 2, 1.
Pulling on the sweatshirt, looking at your picture, cause that broken summer's hanging over me. Drowning in the sunshine, and I've spent a long time thinking, girl, you got the...
Okay. Oh yeah, that's definitely enough, yeah. Yeah? That's good, it's gonna be music anyway, it doesn't matter. Get it to go. Alright guys, so we're here now. We got our seats pretty fast, so it's pretty freaking chills. I got the corner spot, which is perfect for like vlogging and stuff, so it's pretty lit. Inside, it's pretty, it's like kind of like your comfort kind of food, like it's pretty sick. The bar, where's the menu? Yo guys, so this is the menu. It's actually so lit, the happy hour menu. It's actually super, super, super lit. For the price, it's actually not too bad. It's pretty chill. If you guys like Joe Fortes or like comfort food, give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button if you haven't already. For the new subscribers that kind of accidentally stumbled across, welcome to the DZ fam. We're gonna be the strongest family on YouTube. We're gonna go nuts. 2018 is gonna be our year. Let's get it. Food finally has arrived. Look at that, yo. Yeah. Alright, yo, it's your boy Lizzie. We're back in the game with some crazy food vlogs. So, we got the calamari here, so crispy and stuff. Like, look at this. Oh, it's so lit, man. Like, dipping into this. Yo, it just dropped it. Yo, it's okay. This thing gotta be like, it can't be gentle and stuff, right? You gotta go nuts. And... Oh, so hot. So hot. So hot. So hot. So hot. So hot, yo. Truffle fries and stuff. Some crazy, crazy expensive truffle oil. Truffle flakes on these fries. So bomb. You know, all you freaky ass people here with some aphrodisiac, you want to get freaky and shit, eat a couple of these, buddy. All day, yo. Enough talking, let's get back to the food, yo. Lil Jeezy out. Yo, what's up, Fever fans? It's your boy Lil Jeezy. So, 2 more new dishes came in. Freaking, what are these? Mini burgers? Mini burgers, so just your little mini burger with some cheese and cause I'm cheese, yo. All you DZ fams, if you guys ever had these, let me know in the comments down below, see if you guys like them or not. And yeah, yo, it's about to be lit. And of course, it's complimented on coleslaw. Because coleslaw and mini buns, they kind of go together. Brings the acidity out. Tastes so good. Yo, can you pass me that? So, if you guys ever had lobster rolls before, all this down here is super, super freaking lit. Check out this lobster rolls though. Oh my god, these are so freaking bomb. Let's get into my belly. I'm gonna eat now, so see you guys in a minute. Boom, so aftermath, guys. Like, oh my god. Cleaned up, but couldn't finish this food. Oh my god. We're gonna pack this to go, because we ain't about to waste food in 2017, 2018. Whoops. Yeah, so truffle fries, saving you for my stomach later. Aftermath. Couldn't finish it. Yo boy got too full, so we taking the 2 goes, just saving it for later, you know, because that's how we do, my DZ fam. Yeah, yo, so that restaurant, you know, staff was pretty nice, pretty lit. I'm super full. I don't even know why I can't eat that much anymore, because probably those chocolates earlier, the Patron chocolates, because, you know, they lit as hell, fam, and that's how we do. So, I don't know, I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I don't think there's really anything else we're doing right now. It's starting to rain again. Of course, Vancouver's always freaking raining. So, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, whichever. Let's get 20 likes today. Thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Been your boy DZ. See you guys later, fam.